So this is my new apartment. Hi, this is me. And this is my new apartment. This is the door. That's where I'd be coming in, and there's my window, and here's the living area. You can kind of see it's a nice sized area. I have 2 closets. Lots of room for all my crafty stuff. Look in there. See, like all that? I can see exactly where my sewing machine, and here's where all my jackets, and just some extra storage space there, which is excellent. Mostly part of the reason that I took this place, actually. And then here's a little surprise. This would be my parking spot, and this is one storage thing for me. Ta-da! And another one for me. You can see the storage is why I'm taking this place. And let's see. And that just is right in the wall. So when I get home, I don't have to walk far. And here's the kitchen. It's a nice little area. Got a lot of counter space, I noticed, so I can do some easy cooking here. The dishwasher, yay! These kind of things are kind of funny. So I don't know, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with those. But the fridge looks good. We've got another one of these stove-top oven separate things, which I'm not sure where that comes from. But here is the little bathroom. I already see it right where the kitty litter is going to go. Ooh, right there, right there. Okay, and then let's see, we've got another closet, the linen closet. And I don't remember if I looked at what this was last time. Okay, the heater or something. And then the bedroom, which is actually has a really nice window here. And we've got a closet with a mirror. He said, I know women like mirrors, so I put doors on with mirrors. So here's the closet here. So, let's see what we've got. Isn't that nice? So that's my new apartment.